how to enable voice navigation on Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice navigation so that Google Maps, when you're navigating, tells you which direction to turn, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Google Maps app, then select your profile icon to the right of the microphone in the top right. In this menu here, select Settings at the bottom. Then all we need to do is select Navigation and then scroll down, and you're looking for sound and voice. On an Android phone, it might be at the top of this navigation menu, but on an iPhone, you'll have to scroll down a little bit. What we want to make sure is guidance audio is unmuted. So it's a little bit confusing. If it's on mute, then it will not play. Unmuted, it will play. Scroll down a little bit, we can turn on the guidance volume. And from here, you can select the volume. So louder, you'll be able to hear it. And also if it will play voice over Bluetooth. So basically you want to have unmuted, and if you're using it in a car with Bluetooth, you want to make sure that play voice over Bluetooth is set up and turned on. So once you have those settings changed, you can close out of the settings and start using voice navigation in the Google Maps app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.